In this VX audio guide, we will explain the basic connection layout for rear batteries and a supercapacitor in a car audio system. This is a high-current electrical installation, so the exact fuse size, cable size, and charging method must match the equipment and the vehicle. When in doubt, use the manufacturer instructions and have the system checked by a qualified installer. The basic layout is simple. The front battery and alternator feed a properly fused positive cable to the rear of the vehicle. At the rear, the cable feeds the rear battery bank, then a fuse block or fused distribution block for the amplifier branches. On the negative side, use a ground block or ground bus so the rear bank, supercapacitor, and amplifier share one clean return point. All of these parts work in parallel on the same 12-volt system. The capacitor is not installed in series with the amplifier. Rear batteries are normally connected in parallel for a 12-volt audio system. That means positive connects to positive, and negative connects to negative. Use batteries that match in chemistry, voltage, and condition. Do not casually mix AGM, lithium, and old batteries in one bank without the correct charging strategy and battery management. A rear fuse block keeps the positive side organized and lets each amplifier or accessory branch have the correct protection. A ground block does the same job on the negative side by giving the amplifier, capacitor, and rear battery bank one common return point. This is better than stacking too many ring terminals on one bolt, and it makes testing voltage drop much easier. The supercapacitor connects in parallel across the rear positive and negative bus, usually close to the amplifier. In a clean layout, the capacitor positive connects to the rear positive distribution side, and the capacitor negative connects to the ground block or ground bus. Its job is to supply and absorb very fast current changes, not replace proper batteries, wire size, or grounding. Always observe polarity. A supercapacitor must be pre-charged with the supplied resistor or charging tool before final connection. For clean operation, the rear battery bank, supercapacitor, and amplifier should share a low resistance ground reference. Use a ground block connected to a solid ground bus or a properly prepared chassis point, with paint removed and hardware tightened securely. Avoid placing the amplifier, capacitor, and rear batteries on weak or unrelated ground points that can shift under load. Every battery positive terminal is an energy source and needs short circuit protection. Use a properly rated fuse close to the front battery, and another fuse close to the rear battery connection on long cable runs. The rear fuse block protects the amplifier branches, but it does not replace the main battery fuses. If there are multiple rear batteries, protect each battery or battery group as required by the design. Secure the batteries, cover terminals, and route cable away from heat and sharp edges. Before turning the system on, disconnect the amplifier, verify polarity, and confirm every fuse and connection point. Pre-charge the supercapacitor, then connect it to the positive distribution and ground block. Measure resting voltage, charging voltage, and voltage drop while the system plays. The VX audio approach is simple. Protect every power source, keep the return path clean, and test the system before asking it to make power.